64 grams of this germanium 66 is left undisturbed for 12.5 hours. At the end of that period, 2 grams are left. What is the half-life of the material? Okay? So, you are given this situation, but half-life is the time it would take for the 64 to reach 32. You understand that? But you're given this information so that you can find K. I have the original value, which is P, which is 64. I have the ending value, which is 2. And I have the time, which is 12.5. Everybody understands that? They start off the day with a little dish with 64 grams of this stuff. All right? At the end of 12 hours, a long day, they had 2 grams left. But I can find K using this. Everybody find K. This is what you're going to do. You're going to say 2, which is A, equals P, which is 64, times E to the 12.5 K. You're going to divide both sides by 64, and you get 1 over 16 equals E to the 12.5 K. Your variable is in the exponent. What do I need? I need to put it in logarithmic form. That is ln of 1 over 16 equals 12.5 K. So put that in your calculator and divide it by 12.5. And you should get the K equals negative 0.277258872. All right, so now we have K, and they want to know the half-life. So I use that same K. I have now my ending balance is 1. My beginning balance is 2, because I want to know K is K. The word K stands for constant, but they don't use a C, so don't even question that. Okay, so K is K for all of the situations with this one compound, okay? So I know K equals the negative 0.277258872, and I need to know the time it takes to go from 2 grams to 1 gram, or 50 grams to 25 grams. Do you see what you're doing? So you use the information they gave you to find the K, and then you use that K to find the half-life. So everybody find the half-life now. Let's look at this one little bit longer. I got 2.5 hours. If you got 64, you're going to have 32, 16, 8, 4, and 2, right? So this is 2.5 hours it takes to do this. 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, and 2.5. How many 2.5s are there? 5. What's 5 times 2.5? Ooh, I bet it's 12.5 hours. Every problem is different. Every problem gives you different information and asks you different questions. The formulas are the same. There are 4 unknowns in that formula. You have to be able to find 3 of those to find the 4th one, okay? Either in the problem or doing something like this. So when you're doing your homework, make sure you're looking at that.